So let's welcome our opening keynote guest tonight, Ron Schwally.
If you're listening, hands there. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, touch your ears. If you're listening, touch your toes. All right, do we have to go over head, shoulders, knees, and toes? That was good. That was awesome. She's like, I don't even have to move. That was incredible. Awesome. All right, so today's keynote is called Yogarati. It's a blend of yoga and martial arts. And we're going to get started by warming up our bodies a little bit. So I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way that you're standing up. Ooh, awesome. I like the way that you're standing up. Nice. So this is what we're going to do first. I brought a laser with me. And this laser goes, whoa, 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 whoa. And the purpose of this laser is to chop off your heads. So I'm going to ask you to use your imagination and you do whatever you want to do. Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, nice. Couple people ducked. Somebody went like this. One person's like, there's no laser. All right, awesome. Let's try it again. By the way that you play tonight is probably the way that you play at school and with your kids. Ready? So if you want to change that way, let's play. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. By the way, the laser goes all the way to the end. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. Lady back there, she just did a matrix. She's like, all right, ready? One more time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool. So I brought another laser with me. This one goes, and this one's designed to chop off your feet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ready? I love watching people's faces. Over here, we got some people, they're jumping, they're laughing, and you get that teeth sensation when they're smiling. I love watching the other people. It's all good, whatever. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. Give yourselves a round of applause. Nice. All right, give yourselves a round of applause. That was awesome. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.